Hi, I'm Lauren with Alliance Concrete Pumps. Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. We often get asked about our e-stops and our hopper limit switch. On our newer pumps, the hopper limit switch is actually an e-stop. You should take off the cover occasionally and check it, maybe clean it. We're going to show you how to do that. Here you have the cover. We've got the 17 mil screws already pre-loosened. Cover comes off, and here's the switch. This cam wheel rotates when you lift up the grate, and it lifts the little wheel. You hear it click. Now when that grate comes down, you want to hear the click, and if there's concrete built up here, it won't, and that's going to put us in e-stop mode and you can't pump. So pull it off, check it, clean it. You may even have to tighten the little screw, or occasionally a switch will fail. So when that's in good shape, your grate is closed and it gives you the all clear for you to pump. Thank you. If you have any questions, please call us at Alliance.